Hey kids, and welcome back to our channel. Today we got a nice fire truck with lots of stuff inside. But first up, we have to build a cabin. Now we're done with the cabin. Let's go to the wheels. Wheels are made with tires and rims, as you see here. Next up, we need a driver. Those guys are called fireman or firefight. The first tool we have is the fire axe. Next up, we got a fire extinguisher. Now let's go see some cars. A police car, fire truck, just like the big one. The next one, a taxi. Mostly they're yellow. Another yellow one, the school bus. Last vehicle, the ambulance. And now let's learn some shapes. The first shape is called oval, not slightly round. Next up, a hexagon. This one is now the round shape. Now a square. This one is called triangle. The last one is a star. Now some animals. A rabbit. A lion, the king of the jungle. This one is a panda. Here we got a bear. The last animal is a tiger. Now let's count some numbers, starting by 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Now math operations. Addition, subtraction, equal. We even got some numbers in Spanish now. Let's try. First up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice, but it was not very easy, right? Oh wait, there's more Spanish numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. Well, take a look at that truck. That looks very nice. Now let's stick some poles in the end. Now let's stack some rings on those poles with different colors. First up, blue. Next up, we got the color red. The last color is gonna be yellow. Let's try to count those rings. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye kids, I had a lot of fun like always. Now if you've liked that video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more fun videos like that, be sure to subscribe to our channel.